The critical part is how we can predict, and after that how we can configure our system to anticipate if there are any kind of activities, threat activities that coming to our system, we can properly manage.
Challenges are related to compliance, related to users' expectation in general, because compliance needs a certain standard, which may be okay for the cybersecurity, and sometimes we may need to go beyond, or very different things have to be implemented. So keeping pace with both is a little bit challenging.
We have to evaluate our operation to make sure that our strategy in the cybersecurity can adapt the new technology of the cyber attack.
There has to be right policies in the organization. There has to be all the standards defined that what kind of cybersecurity we want to go with. The educating employees and users that what kind of threats may come in and how to handle those threats.
It's one of the strategy that need to be implemented in our security. But the problem is we need to measure this solution, since the solution is also need to learn something in the cyber threat.
FSI need to implement the AI to predict what kind of cyber threat and what kind of anticipation action that could be take action by FSI to anticipate this.
The cybersecurity risk is evolving each day. When it is evolving each day, all the companies needs to make sure that they are evolving alongside the security issues, and they can actually take care of the things what are happening today and tomorrow. So that is a ever growing process, ever learning process. That's what is required for the companies right now.